Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 11. We will explore about trigonometry function. My name is Lara Antika, last name 18.
My name is Salma Putri Syafiah, last name 21.
My name is Andrean Pratama, last name 29.
The question is, by knowing the characteristic of a trigonometric function y equals a sin x in relation to the values of a and b, then analysis the relation between y equals sin x, y equals plus minus 3 sin x, and y equals plus minus a sin x. Compare the graph of the function. What progress happens? Do you understand, Bayu?
Yes.
Can you explain to both of us because we don't understand?
Okay. Well, basically because y equals sin x, we know that a and b is 1 because it doesn't written in the question itself. So we know the value of value or extreme value is y max is 1 and y min is negative 1 because the since curve upwards then downwards have the same value of 1, and we can search the periods by using the formula 2p over absolute b. We know because b doesn't written in the question itself, we know the b is 1, so we substitution the b into the formula that we know. So the formula is 2p over b equals 2p over 1, absolute 1. Because it's over 1, we can ignore it, so it's just 2p, and we know the 2p is equal to 316 degree. So the next problem is y equals plus or minus 3 since sin x that have extreme value is y max 3 and y min 3 and minus 3. Y is y w h y is have 3 that we know before is 1 because the a value is 3. So when we search the period is still the same from the previous problem because the b is have the same value, it have 1 because in both problem it doesn't written how much the value is x is. Okay, we can know that this period y equals plus minus 3 sin 3 x has the period of 316 degree. Okay, the next is y plus minus 8 sin x have the extreme value same as the first problem is the y max is 1, y min is negative 1, then have the same periods of 316 degree because it's basically the same problem, same question as the first one is y equals sin x. So we can search its value function with the special degree of angle we know about. So we know that sin 0 degrees is 0, sin 30 degree is half, sin 60 degree is half root of 3, and sin sin 90 degree is 1, and we so on until the degree is 316, because it's all the same. Same as the formula that we know. The formula we can search in online is the same. The big difference is in this function is y equals plus minus 3 sin x. All of this is time 3. So 0 degrees is still 0, but in 30 degrees is 3 over 2 is 3 times higher than the previous one. So it's go on until 316 degree. Okay, for decimal number, we know that inverse in y plus minus a sin x is 30 degree is half or 0.5, and so on is raised into 1 half root 3 is or equal to 0.87. Okay, we can look at this graph for reference, if you can see it.
Yes.
The blue mark is the blue line, I suppose, is represent of y equals plus minus 3 sin x. Okay, is 3 times higher than the original, the right lines that referring to y equals sin x. And oh yeah, we know about this have two lines that it's representing y equals 3 sin x and y equals minus 3 sin x. So the minus one is curve downward first, then it's rising up. But in positive one, it's going up first and down in next loop. So it can see is creating like two loop and look
Yes.
like infinity.
Infinity.
Yes. So look, we use the same formula, and we know that y sin x and y plus minus 3 sin x into GeoGebra. So we have three different functions. This first is y sin x, second is y equals minus 3 sin x, and the last one is y equals 3 sin x. We can see in this picture is totally the same. Look.
Nampak tak?
Same.
Same. Oh, okay.
Wait.
So, in conclusion, we solved this problem and we matched the picture perfectly.
Wait. Thank you, Bayu. Thank you, Bayu.
Alright.